Today's video was a request by one of the guys on the forum, and another guy on the forum had some parts to do the thing. So we'll look at that today. And the request was carrier bearing. Parts here. Looks like the right one. Oh, that definitely needs replaced. It only goes that far. Yeah, that only turns that far, and you can feel every bearing click. And this one spins nice. So, step one, remove all these guys. That part. Okay, now we have to get this out of here. If I was you, Dave, I'd be replacing this. Also, you can buy these brand new. We need this side. Got down on those ears nice and tight. I need to get the right size socket. I'm not sure if that comes out, but this has been off before, so if somebody's replaced this before and not replaced the nut. That looks like a smaller nut. This thing too small. It's a little loose. 1 1/16. One. Nope. 1 1/16 it is. It has all the torque on it. So now I'm trying to get gravity to work for me. My bench, where it's at. Which my bench is portable. Oh, got it though. If you got a bench that's mounted on a solid bench, this would be way easier. Probably could have tried to blap on it, but here we are. I already did it. All right. Great success. There's a big old heavy washer. Oh, look at that. I must have cracked it loose with the hammer. Well, look at that. Oh. Alright. There's that. Okay. Right along. moving right along. I think I'm gonna go with my same stuff, just like the last guy. This way. That wants to be lightly tapped on there. Or can we press it on with our parts? Okay, that's pretty close to it. There, work on that a little. Little guy. I kind of want to run that one just due to the surface area it covers. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, we got tightening torque right there. 174 foot-pounds. Definitely going to have to flip this back around. So I got it to 150. Can you see that? Yeah. So I'm just going to turn it to 160. 170. And that's as tight as I can get that, probably. And now, again, using gravity, because my bench moves around. Tighten this guy up. Now we're going to get to the fun part. All right. Clicked, yeah? Yeah. That's tight. There we go.